Asklo AI is one of the newest AI tools hitting the market, and it's packed with features that could completely change the way you automate your work. In this video, we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about Asklo AI, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack. Whether you're just hearing about it now or have been keeping an eye on it, stick around till the end because I'll give you the real deal on whether this software is worth your time and why it might be the best AI tool you've seen so far. Before we dive in, I just want to let you know that you can actually try Asklo AI for free by clicking the link in the description below. So if you're curious and want to see if it's right for you, there's no risk in giving it a spin. First up, Asklo AI is all about making tasks like writing, researching, and problem solving significantly faster and more efficient. It's designed to tackle complex workflows and streamline the entire process using advanced AI algorithms. The thing that really stands out is its intuitive interface, which makes it easy to get started even if you're new to AI software. You don't have to be a tech expert to jump right in and start using it. One of the coolest features of Asklo AI is its versatility across various industries. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or entrepreneur, this software adapts to your needs. For marketers, it can help generate compelling ad copy, analyze trends, and even suggest strategies to improve conversions. Content creators will love the ability to instantly generate blog post ideas, improve SEO content, and even automate social media responses. The range of applications here makes it a must-have for anyone looking to scale their operations using AI. Another key feature is Asklo's ability to learn from your inputs over time. As you use it, it gets smarter, personalizing its responses based on your preferences. This level of personalization ensures that you'll spend less time editing the results and more time getting things done. Plus, it's constantly being updated with new functionalities, so you're not just getting a tool, you're getting an evolving solution. If you've tried other AI tools before, you know that data privacy can be a concern. But Asklo AI takes your privacy seriously. They use robust encryption techniques and ensure that your data is never shared with third parties without your permission. This is a big win for anyone who values data security, especially in a time when data breaches are more common than ever. Let's talk performance. When it comes to response time, Asklo AI is lightning fast. There's no frustrating lag, and that's a game changer for anyone working on tight deadlines. It's not just quick though. The results are accurate and reliable, whether you're using it to draft emails, generate ideas, or analyze customer feedback. If you're wondering about the pricing, Asklo AI's free trial is a great way to test the waters before committing to a paid plan. The paid plans are competitive, offering flexibility for both small businesses and larger enterprises. I'd recommend starting with the free trial to get a feel for its capabilities, and then moving on to a plan that fits your needs. Trust me, it's worth it. Now, one thing to note is that while Asklo AI is incredibly powerful, it may take some time to master all the different features. The learning curve isn't steep, but there are a lot of hidden gems within the software that you may not discover right away. But don't worry, there are plenty of tutorials and support resources to guide you along the way. To sum up, if you're looking for an AI tool that can automate your work, streamline your processes, and keep up with your ever-growing demands, Asklo AI is definitely worth checking out. As I mentioned earlier, you can try it for free through the link in the description below. And if you're serious about using AI to supercharge your workflow, I've got a list of my recommended AI tools that you can try for free after having tested thousands of options. These are the best of the best, and I'm sure they'll help take your productivity to the next level. So don't wait, click the link, give Asklo AI a try, and see for yourself what it can do.